हेलो एंड वेलकम। आज बात करेंगे क्लास 10 का पीवाईक्यू से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज पॉलिनोमियल्स का। राइट। सो देखते हैं प्रीवियस में क्या क्या पूछे गए हैं। दैट इज पहला जो क्वेश्चन है हमारा, दैट इज थ्री इफ पी एंड क्यू आर जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल पी एक्स 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 1, फाइंड द पॉलिनोमियल हुज जीरोस आर दिस एंड दिस। सो ये अल्फा है और बीटा है, इससे मेरे को इक्वेशन निकालना है। तो उसके लिए हम क्या जानते हैं, इक्वेशन कैसे निकालते हैं, दैट इज इफ यू नो द अल्फा एंड बीटा then you can find the calculation equation by that is x square minus alpha plus beta or plus alpha into beta equal to 0। इस तरह से इक्वेशन निकालते हैं। तो पहले हमको ये अल्फा और बीटा निकालना पड़ेगा, और अल्फा और बीटा निकालने के लिए पहले पी और क्यू निकालना पड़ेगा। सो निकालते हैं पहले पी और क्यू, और पी और क्यू है क्या यहाँ पे, जीरोस ऑफ द दिस पॉलिनोमियल। तो इस पॉलिनोमियल का जीरोस है। सो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0। तो इस इक्वेशन का जीरोस निकालना है, तो जीरो से इक्वेट कर देंगे। सो दिस विल बिकम 3x स्क्वायर, और यहाँ से 3 बन जाए 3 आ जाएगा। सो यहाँ से आ जाएगा माइनस 3x और प्लस x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0। सो कॉमन यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, 3x कॉमन आ जाएगा, तो x माइनस 1 बचेगा, और यहाँ से प्लस 1 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या बचेगा, x माइनस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0। अब ये दोनों में x माइनस 1 कॉमन है, तो x माइनस 1 कॉमन, और यहाँ बच गया क्या, 3x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0। सो यहाँ से x इक्वल टू आ गया 1, और दूसरा क्या आ गया, माइनस 1 अपॉन 3। सो वी हैव फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ द polynomial, that means this is our p and this is our q. So again we have to find the alpha and beta. So alpha, our alpha is 1 minus p upon 1 plus p, that is 1, or that is our p is 1, so 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 equal to 0 upon 2 equal to 0, and our beta equal to 1 minus q upon 1 plus q. So 1 minus, what is the value of q, that is minus 1 by 3, so minus 1 by 3, and this is 1 plus minus 1 by 3. So this will become 1 plus 1 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3. So after that, this will become 3 1 is 3 and 4 by 3. And this will become 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3. This 3 will cancel, at 2 to the 4. So this will become 3. So alpha is 0 and beta is 2. So now put the value of alpha and beta or in this equation, then what we get, x square minus alpha plus beta, 2 plus 0 is 2, so that is 2x plus alpha into beta, so 0 into 2 is 0, so 0 that is equal to 0, that is x square minus 2x equal to 0 is our answer. Right, next. Here the question is, if p and q are zeros of polynomial a square plus a into x square plus 61 into x plus 6x, find the value of p and q where q is the reciprocal of p. So first of all we have to find the value of a, and then we have to find the value of p and q. So what we know, alpha into beta equal to c by a, and here alpha is p and beta equal to q, and here given that q is a reciprocal of p, that means q equal to 1 by p. So alpha is our p and beta is our 1 by p equal to c by a. What is the value of c? Here's the value of c is 6a, and the value of a is a square plus a, that is a square plus a. Now this p will cancel out this p, so 1 equal to 6a upon, here यहाँ से a कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या बचेगा, a plus 1, and this a will cancel out this a, and here what we get, a plus 1, this means cross multiplication, equal to 6. From here what we get, the value of a equal to 5. Now put the value of a in this equation, then the equation will become 5 square plus 5 into x square plus 61 into x plus 6 into 5. So this will become 30 x square plus 61 x plus 30 equal to 0. Now 30 into 30, that will become 900, and we have to come with 61. So this is 2 factor is 25, and the another one is 36. 25 into 36 will become 900. So here 30 x square plus 25x plus 36x plus 30 equal to 0. So from these two, we can take 5x as common, then we will remaining with 6x plus 5. Here we can take 6 as a common, so this will become x plus 5. Sorry, 6x plus 5 equal to 0. And ये दोनों में से 6x plus 5 कॉमन आ गया, तो बचा क्या 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to क्या आ गया -5/6 और दूसरा x equal to क्या आ गया -6/5. So we have to find the value of p and q. So this is the value of p and q. This is the zeros of this polynomial. Right. Next question, that is, if p and q are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 4x plus 3, find the polynomial whose zeros are 1 plus p by q and 1 plus p by q. So again, this is alpha and beta. So if we know the alpha and beta, we can find the equation, and equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So first of all, we have to find the value of alpha and beta, and for that we have to find the value of p and q. And p and q, what is the p and q? P and q are the zeros of this polynomial. So first of all, we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. So that is x squared plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So what we can write, 3 1 is 3, that means 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. So what is the common? X common. So what was remaining? X plus 3 plus 1 common. So x plus 3 equal to 0. Here x plus 3 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to -3 and -1. So p and q. We have find the p and q. So we can find alpha and beta. So alpha equal to 1 plus p by q, and our beta is 1 plus q by p. So 1 plus, what is the value of p? Here p is -3, so -3 upon -1, and beta equal to 1 plus, sorry, q by p. Q by p. So what is the value of q? Q is -1 upon -3. So this will become 1 plus 3, that is 4, and this will become 3 1 is 3 and plus 1, that is 4 by 3. So beta equal to 4 by 3 and alpha equal to, now we have to find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta, that is 4 plus 4 by 3, that is 16 upon 3, and alpha into beta, that is 4 into, or that is alpha into beta equal to 4 into 4 by 3, that is also 16 by 3. Now put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in this equation. So what we get, that is x square minus alpha plus beta is 16 upon 3 into x plus 16 upon 3 equal to 0. Now multiply both sides with 3. So multiply with 3 and again this side multiply with 3. So this equation becomes 3x square minus 16x plus 16 equal to 0. So this is our required answer. Next, so that 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 are the zeros of the polynomial 4x square plus 4x minus 3, and verify the relation between zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. So first of all, we have to show that the zeros of this polynomial is 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So first of all, we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. That is 4x plus 4x minus 3, that is equal to 0. So 4 3 is 12, and we have to come with 4, that is 6, and 2 6 2 is 12. So here 4x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x common, so 2x plus 3 or minus 1 common, so 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So here 2x plus 3 and दूसरा क्या आ गया 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So here x equal to minus 3 by 2 and another one is 1 by 2. So we have to find, so here one of the 0 is minus 3 by 2 and one of the 0 is 1 by 2. So ये show करना था. The second क्या करना है, verify the relations between zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. So we can say this is alpha and this is beta. So we know that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So what is the value of our alpha? That is minus 3 by 2, and beta is 1 by 2, that is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? That is 4. So b and a is 4. So this will become minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 upon 2 equal to minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 1 equal to minus 1. So first relation is verified, and the second relation is alpha into beta equal to c by a, where alpha is minus 3 by 2 and beta is 1 by 2, and where c is minus 3, so this is minus 3 and a is 4. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 upon 4 equal to minus 3 upon 4. So second relation also verified. Next, if the sum and the product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 5x plus c are equal to 10 each, find the value of a and c. Here we have to find the value of a and c, जहाँ पे sum and product both are 0. So alpha plus beta equal to 10 given है, and alpha into beta is also 10 given. So alpha plus beta equal to 10. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a equal to 10, and alpha into beta equal to c by a equal to 10. So what is the value of minus b here? That is 5 upon a equal to 10. So 5 to the 10, so a equal to 1 by 2, and here the second equation is c by a equal to 10. So a is 1 by 2 equal to 10. So 2c equal to 10. So 2 5s are 10 and c equal to 5. So we have find the value of a and c. 8. The next question is, if p and q are the zeros of the polynomial 6y square minus 7y plus 2, find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are. Again this is alpha and again this is beta. And for finding alpha, we have to find the value of p, and for finding the value of beta, we have to find the value of q. So, what is p and q here? And p or q are the zeros of this polynomial. So, 6y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. So, 6 2s are 12, that means 4 and 3. So, 6y square minus 6y square, and this is minus 4y minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So 2y common, then 3y minus 2 minus 1 common, then 3y minus 2 equal to 0. So here that is 2y minus 1, and another one is 3y minus 2 equal to 0. So y equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 2 by 3. So this is our p and this is our q. So we have find p and q. Then we have to find the value of alpha and beta. So alpha equal to, that is 1 by p, that is 1 by 2, that is equal to 2, and beta equal to 1 by q, that is 1 by, what is the value of q? That is 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to find the value, we have to find the quadratic polynomial, that is, and if we know the alpha and beta, then we can find the quadratic polynomials by this equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So here x square minus alpha plus beta, 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 2 plus 3 by 2 into x plus 2 into 3 by 2 equal to 0. So x square minus 2 to the 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 2 x plus 3 2, or this 2 will be cancelled out, this will become 3 equal to 0. Now multiply by 2 both sides. So this will become 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. This is our